Hello students, welcome back to Statistics by Savita. Here, today I want to discuss with you the test for t-test only. T-test, but the two population means, that is a second applications of t-test. Second application, that is n is less than 30. The small sample test, that is a t-test. The two population means, that in two population means are independent samples. Independent samples. Okay. Then here just I give you the procedure of steps. Step 1, that is step 1. What is the step 1? That is always we will take it as the null hypothesis. Null hypothesis, that is H0 of mu1 is equals to mu2. The two population means are equal. We considered as equal. The step 2 is the alternative hypothesis. That is H1 of mu1 is not equal to mu2. Mu1 is greater than mu2 and mu1 is less than mu2. These two are one-tailed test. This is same as the last sample test only. This is a two-tailed test. Two-tailed test it is. Okay. This is step 1 always. The previous last sample test alli ನಾವು 4 application ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. T-test alli 3 application. This is a second application. Means this is a 6th one. What I am doing here. ಇದು 6th one ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ 6 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇದು ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ ಹೈಪೋಥೆಸಿಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿವ್ ಹೈಪೋಥೆಸಿಸ್. The third step is, step 3 is under H0, the test statistics. That is T is equals to x1 bar minus x2 bar divided by the square root of SC square into 1 by n1 plus 1 by n2. Okay, and the degrees of freedom is n1 plus n2 minus 2 degrees of freedom. Here what they are giving in the question, x1 bar, x2 bar, n1, n2. If we know this one, SC square means is a standard deviation, that I give you a formula of SC square, where SC square is equals to n1 s1 square plus n2 s2 square. S1 square and s2 square means the variance ido. n1 plus n2 minus 2. n1 plus n1 s1 square plus n2 s2 square divided by n1 plus n2 minus 2. And the one more formula is there, but usually they give this only. We are not using this one, but also I give you here x1 minus x1 bar square plus x2 minus x2 bar square divided by n1 plus n2 minus 2. Okay, this is a SC square. First we have to calculate. This is a variance of a first sample and this is a variance of a second sample. n1 n2 we know it. We are calculating a SC square and they are giving in the question x1 bar and x2 bar. Just we are substituting it in the formula. ನಮ್ಗೆ 6 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ 6 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟಿ ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay. Then this one. Here the same step 4 is you already know that one. Alpha is equals to either a 5% or it is a 1%, and critical values from table, it is from a table. Okay. Then step 5 is decision making. And that is H0 is accepted or H0 is a rejected. H0 is a accepted or H0 is a rejected. Okay. Then how the examples are there? Okay. Idonದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ big procedure ada, but usually they ask this also a 5 marks question only. In the one of your model question paper, here just you observe, and intelligence test given to a groups of boys and girls gave the following information. The boys and girls, the mean is given, standard deviation is given, and size is given. Size, just you observe the size, that is a 12 and 7. That's why it is a less than 30. The less than 30 means we have to use a t-test over here. Is the difference in the means scores of boys and girls are statistically significant? Use alpha is equals to a 5%. That is 0.05 means that is a 5% only. Okay. Then here just I will show you one example over here. Just to observe here in this question, here n1 is given and n2 is given, x1 bar is given, x2 bar is given, s1 is given and s2 is given. The example is like that. The two set of data, usually the two sets of data here, the mean and standard deviation of heights of a person of two localities gave the following result. Sample size, mean and standard deviation. The same what is given in the question paper, the model question paper, the same. Sample size is n1, n2, x1 bar, x2 bar, and say s1 and s2. Standard deviation is given. Then how they calculated means, just I will show you. Given n1 is equals to 12 and this n2 is equals to 8, x1 bar, x2 bar, s1, s2. H0, the mean height of population of locality A and locality B are same, equal ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ ಅವರು. ಶಾರ್ಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಲೊಕ್ಯಾಲಿಟಿ ಬಿ. ಶಾರ್ಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ μ1 is less than μ2. Then calculating a combined sample variance, that is a SC square, first you have to calculate n1 s1 square plus n2 s2 square divided by n1 plus n2 minus 2. n1 s1 square, ಇಲ್ಲಿ s1 s2 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ವೇರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ, ವೇರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಇಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ s1 square is there, that's why 12 into 4.2 square plus 8 into 3.7 square. Then 12 plus 8 minus 2. Then we are calculating, we are getting as an answer is this one. After getting this one, keep it as it is. Under H0, the test statistic is x1 bar minus x2 bar divided by square root of SC square into 1 by n1 plus 1 by n2. And then what is given? 175.3 minus 177.2 divided by SC square is this value, 1 divided by 12 plus 1 by 8. Then you have to take a division of this, plus, then you have to multiply with this, take a square root outside, then minus, plus, first you have to minus it, then divide that one, you are getting as a negative value. Then the answer is, T calculated value is this one. LOS, the level of significance, that is alpha is equals to a 5%, degrees of freedom is equals to n1 plus n2 minus 2, that is equals to 18, and the test is a left tailed, that is because it is a one tail test. Because less than ಐತಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ one tail test ತಗೋತೀವಿ, ಇದನ್ನ left tailed tail test, that is a minus k is equals to 18 degrees of freedom. ನೀವು t table ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 18 degrees of freedom ನಾಗ one tail test ನೋಡಿದಾಗ minus 1.73 it comes, minus 1.73. Our answer is minus 1.245, it comes inside. H naught is accepted. The t calculated value is lies acceptance reason, that's why H naught is accepted. What is H naught? When H naught is accepted, then we have to what you considered, that is a mean height of population of locality A and locality B are same. You have to take it. This is a procedure of what they given, just we are calculating according to that. Okay, this is an independent sample. N1 and N2 are not equal here. Okay, I think all of you got it. And the one more type of example, in this it is given, the example 7th one in the textbook it is given. The two different types of drugs A and B were tried on certain patients for increasing weights. 5 persons were given a drug A and 7 persons were given a drug B. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಮತ್ತು 7 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ the increase in the weight of pounds is given below. ಅಂದ್ರೆ increase ಇದು more than type ಇದು. Okay, then how to calculate when table is given? Then as usual, first you have to take it H0 and H1, that is equal and that is not equal. Okay, equal and that is not equal. Not equal ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, weight pounds the then H0 and H1, the calculating a variance in of two samples, X1 is given. Then that formula we are using, the one more formula is there, that one. X1 is given and this is X2 is given. X1 minus X1 bar square. Okay, X1 bar you have to calculate, X2 bar also you have to calculate, and substitute it in the this one X1 minus X1 bar square, X2 minus X2 bar square. Then you are substitute it in the formula, you are getting an answer. Or otherwise you can use a standard deviation formula also. S1 is equals to the square root of summation of x square divided by n minus sum of x divided by n whole square. ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Okay, then this under H0 the test statistic is, then you are substituting all the values what you calculated, SC square 1 by n1, 1 by n2, x1 bar and x2 bar, then you are getting a one value over here. Then the level of significance, that is alpha is equals to a 5%, degrees of freedom is equals to n1 plus n2 minus 2 is equals to 10, and the test of two tailed, that is n1 is 5 plus 7 minus 2, that is a 10, and then minus k, that is equals to a minus 2.232 plus 2.23. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೊಂಡಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಟೂ ಟೇಲ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು, ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದೇ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಟೂ ಟೇಲ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್. The calculated values lies acceptance reason, that's why H0 is accepted. What you considered H0, that you have to write it. This is the one more type of example over here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾಗ ನಾವು ಮಾಡೋದು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇದು ತಗೊಂಡೆ, ನಾನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಇತ್ತು ನೋಡಿ. For the following data, marks obtained by two groups of students in a statistic test are given below. Then group A and group B, number of students N1, N2, X1 bar, X2 bar, S1 and S2 is given. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಲೆಸ್ ದನ್ 30 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಟಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಟಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್. ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಐತಿ ಅಂದ್ರ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಐತಿ ಮತ್ತು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದನ್ 30 ಅದಾರಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಟಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು x1 ಬಾರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, x2 ಬಾರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, s1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, s2 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ, ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಯು ಗೇನ್ ಅ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. H0 H1 ಬರ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತದ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ 2 marks ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. Then level of significance and critical value you are having a 1 mark, and H0 is accepted or rejected, you are getting a 1 mark over here. Okay, this is a two means, equality of two means, the difference between the means of two populations using a two samples. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಬಂದದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಗ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಇದನ್ನ ಥೆರಾಟಿಕಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತದ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತದ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹೌ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್. Then the next video I will give you a paired t-test. Paired t-test is a very important thing that usually they give in the examination. Okay, in the next video I will give you the paired t-test. Okay students, thank you for watching the video. Subscribe, like and comment the video.